Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Into this video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all some stocks to keep on watch for today. I'm also going to be doing an update on some of the stocks that I've mentioned in the video from Tuesday. All right, so let's dive right into it. Right off the bat, so we have the SPY, and yesterday there was the FOMC rate decision thing that came out at 1 p.m. and it turned out that the Fed did not change the interest rate. The interest rates remained at 5.25 to 5.5%. All right. Now, I've been telling y'all all week. I've been telling y'all specifically that I was leaning bearish on the overall markets for this reason that you see on the charts. And so far, it turns out that I'm right. Once again, all right, the market collapsed. These individuals right here, again, from the bull trap up here, this is the cause of it. All right, it wasn't going to stop until we got this low all the way down to 4,400. Again, if you haven't watched the videos before, I'm gonna ping them at the top of the video, somewhere around here. That way you can click and watch. If you're subscribed to the channel, you should be up plenty by a lot of money. All right, I gave you these ones, and it turned out that they were very, very generous, especially today. All right, let's look at QQQ as well. For QQQ, I believe I told you guys to watch it for a drop to 362. Right now it's at 360. All right, I gave you guys, I think it was on Sunday, I specifically told you about the bear flag on here on the 1 hour. Bear flag followed by chop followed by sell off. Now this is the point where I tell you guys, this is the time to monitor and to take money as it goes down. I will be looking to cover. We have AMD puts on here for today. Let me just show you guys what I forgot to open that one up. But yeah, we have AMD puts